Today I am going to explain and analyze part 3 video birds opening from Gambit. This is chapter 1. Okay, I am going to explain 1 to 4 chapter this video part 3. Okay, if you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, first move F4, bird opening, E5, bird opening from Gambit, F cross E5, then D6, then E cross D6, then bishop cross D6. Okay, this game white resign in 10 moves. Okay, this game is white resign in 10 moves. Okay, another move of knight. Knight go to F3, then G5, C3, G4. Attack the knight, white black pawn. So another move of queen. Queen go to A4 and variable check. Then knight C6. Knight D4, Queen H4 and check. So now king go to D1, then G3 pawn go to move to G3. Okay. After that B4, Queen cross H2, Rook cross H2 and G cross H2. Now black get the queen easily. That's why white resign. Hello everyone. This is chapter 2, part 3, birds opening from Gambit. Why black wins white checkmate in 8 moves? Why how to black wins white checkmate in 8 moves? Okay, we can go now chapter 1. First move, birds opening F4. E5, birds opening from Gambit. Then F cross E5, D6, E cross D6, bishop cross D6, knight F3, G5, D4, G4. Now attack the knight. Then knight go to G5. Okay, then C5 H3. Now attack the pawn. After that bishop go to G3 and we will check. So another move of white. White king go to D2 and easy checkmate with black queen. Queen cross D4 and we will checkmate. That's it. This is chapter 2. How did black win fight checkmate in 8 moves? Okay, that's it. We can go now chapter 3. Okay. Hello everyone. This is chapter 3, part 3 video, birds opening from Gambit. First move, E4, F4, bird opening, E5, F cross E5, D6, E cross D6, then bishop cross D6, knight F3, G5, E4. Okay, we can see right now why white resign in 9 moves. Then G4, black move G4. Now attack the knight and knight go to D4. Then Queen H4 and we will check. Okay, now black the check with black the check. King go to E2. So that's why G3 pawn go to move here. So now D3 pawn go here. After that queen cross H2. If cut rook, then white resign. You can see why white resign this game. G cross H2. After the move, black get a new queen in H1. Okay, you can see now another move. If go here and black get a new queen and black has so many pieces. That's why white resigned this game. That's it. We can go now chapter 4. Hello everyone, this is chapter 4, Birds Opening from Gambit part 3. Okay, first move, F4, bird opening, another move, E5, F plus E5, bird opening from Gambit, another move of black, queen H4 and we will check, then G3, attack the, block the check and queen go to E4, now attack the rook, then knight F3, block the defend, white knight defend to white rook. Okay, another move, knight C6, knight C3. Now attack the queen with knight C3, then queen go to F5. So why black resign in 10 moves? Okay, another move, E4. Now attack the queen. Queen go back to E6. Okay, then D4. Then queen go to E7. Go back. After that, bishop go to G5. So that's why queen go to B4. Now queen is wrapped in 2 moves. Okay. Black queen is wrapped, going to 2 moves. Another move, A3. Queen cross B2. Then knight go to A4 and attack the queen. That's why this game black resign. Now you can see right now attack the queen. So that's why black is resign. Black cannot go anywhere. This way, no go, doesn't go there. He cannot go here. He cannot go here because every way is white going to cut the queen. So that's why black resigned this game. Okay, that's it. Today video. We can go now. Another video tomorrow. That's it.